Hello YouTube, this is a video by Zeppelin 1000. Today I'm going to show you how to get a metal zone sound out of your digital delay 7 and your ds1 distortion pedal. Basically I'm going to start with the delay. These are the settings you're going to want, your effect level all the way up. I might be pushing it a little too much, maybe a hair back, but feedback about 11 o'clock. I'll show you what that does, the difference it makes. So basically as far as you want to go is like here before it starts screaming. But yeah, you got a good sound there. And D time all the way down, or high. And then your mode knob at 5 milliseconds, sorry. So yeah, and then your distortion, you're going to want your level here down at 9 o'clock, here 11, here about pretty much all the way actually max distortion. So I'll show you what that sounds like. Alright, this is the clean sound. I'm playing through a mini PV practice amp, the Rage 158, through a Fender Telecaster Mexican version. So this is it clean. Alright, so right now I'm going to put on the distortion. And now I'm going to put the delay. So it's pretty sweet, heavy sound. From the delay you get more of a metal, heavy tin sound. Like I'll show you that just alone with the delay. So there's not too much alone, but it does add a lot to the distortion. Now, with the delay also. Alright, now we're going to crank the feedback up to about 1 o'clock, actually 12. Sorry about that. So you can hear some difference there. Now 1 o'clock. Now we're going to crank it to 2. You can hear that it's definitely more tin metal sound. So it's got a pretty sweet, unique sound. Sounds a lot like the Metal Zone MT2 Boss pedal. That's basically the only settings I've found so far, but yeah, thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos. Hopefully I'll get some other versions of this up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate.